So have you heard about bioprinting? Bioprinting. What is bioprinting? So where we will use bioprinting method? Have you heard about 3D printing technique? Okay, so what is 3D printing? 3D printing. 3D printing is an additive manufacturing technology. It's a kind of manufacturing technology which uses additive manufacturing method. So that means what usually what we will do, we will take one material and we'll go on adding that material layer by layer so that we will get a 3D material. Like for example, if you take this this plate, so then similar kind of materials would be added layer by layer, so that if you see, it becomes a 3D image. So from all the sides you will see likewise. So 3D printing is a kind of additive manufacturing technology which is used to produce various types of material. So among the 3D printing, one important method is bioprinting. Okay, bioprinting is one method within the 3D printing. So what is bioprinting means? We can use the 3D printing technology to produce the various living organs of humans. Like let's say for example, um, we have produced silicon heart. Silicon heart. Silicon heart has been produced by using the bioprinting method or bioprinting technology. So what is this 3D soft silicon heart? So this 3D soft silicon technology has been developed by scientists from Switzerland. So what was the use of it means? This silicon heart, simply it resembles like exact heart, and where we will use this silicon heart means, so there will be some patients who are undergoing for heart transplantations. Have you heard about heart transplantation? So meanwhile, there might be some delays with respect to procurement of that heart, transplant heart. So during this process, what they will do, they will use such kind of 3D silicon heart as temporary organ. Like this 3D silicon heart can serve as normal heart for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. For this much period, it serves as replacement for that. So then they will have to replace within this time, so it can extend the lifespan. So then they have to replace the original heart which they are intended to do it. Okay, so that is one thing. So this 3D silicon heart has been developed by Switzerland scientists. And this has been done with the help of bioprinting. That means it's a kind of heart which has been produced by 3D printing, and the 3D printing technique is known as bioprinting. So now, generally, for example, if we are printing this, so in this, on this, like there should be some ink which produces produces letters. So in the similar fashion, for production of these biomaterials through bioprinting, there should be some ink. So ink generally that we use to produce the materials through 3D printing or bioprinting is known as bio-ink. Bio-ink. So what is bio-ink? So that is another important. So bio-ink, it would be like, it is a kind of hydrogel which is composed of generally stem cells. Okay, so it's a kind of bio-ink. It would be a kind of hydrogel material which is composed of stem cells. Again, to remember, stem cells will have the ability to develop into specialized cells, okay, with specific function. So stem cells, with these stem cells we can develop organs also, we have understood. So here bio ink would be generally made up of a hydrogel based material which consists of stem cells. So we will use this bioink, and as it is additive manufacturing technology, we will join the stem cells layer by layer, layer by layer, layer by layer. Thus, we can produce the artificial organs. Okay. For example, this is an artificial heart, like for example, bio heart that we have produced. In the similar fashion, we can also produce the liver. We can have, like for example, bio liver. So we can also produce bio liver. So in this fashion, we can produce the artificial organs. Okay, like for example, so that is one thing. Liver we have produced, and in the similar fashion, we can produce other bodily parts also. So that is one important thing. You just remember that. So bioink means it is the printing material, or like which is made up of hydrogel like material which consists of stem cells, which is used for production of the artificial organs by bioprinting method. Okay, so that is bioink. Okay, like for example, if you want to produce 3D cornea, like this is 3D heart, in the similar fashion, like 3D liver or 3D cornea. 3D cornea. Now you see, cornea means the outer portion of the eye. So there may be some people whose cornea might have been damaged. Okay, so for them, we can produce 3D cornea and we can replace that. So we can produce that 3D cornea by using bioprinting method. Okay, so yes, please.
So initially it is with the process of there is some kind of tissue culture associated with this.
Tissue culture is a technology, simply to say. Tissue culture is a technology which can be used to culture various things. Like stem cells can also be cultured by using tissue culture method. Okay, it's a technique. Are you getting? It's a method where we can culture things. Are you getting?
So when we are saying about the heart, then it is only made from only two materials, hydrogen material and stem cells.
Hydrogen, not hydrogen material, hydrogel like biomaterial. Hydrogel like material. We are using the method hydrogel like material. Are you getting? So it's a kind of jelly material which consists of these stem cells. That's what we are saying. Is that clear? So it's not hydrogen, hydrogel we are saying, jelly material. Is that clear, dear?
Also, it's normally or the naturally having the pacemaker. So they also print the pacemaker also.
Pacemaker is different. Pacemaker is an artificial substance we will produce, but this is altogether, this is a material that we are using it as a prosthetic. Like for example, 3D cornea would be used as artificial prosthetic. Like 3D ear can be used as an artificial prosthetic. So we are using it as an artificial replacement completely.
Okay. So means material is different, but
Yes.
the same.
So actually, that the 3D pacemaker, it will initiate the process of heartbeat. Let's say, for example, if you are using a pacemaker, it would be like SA node. There would be something called SA node in heart, which initiate the heartbeat. So artificial pacemaker, it replaces the function of SA node. That's it. Okay, so that's a chip-like kind of material which would be used there. So that is different. So this is different. So this is entirely we are producing by bio printing technology, 3D printing technology we are using here.